Today we're going to be looking at a timeline of the classical period. Classical era or classical period or age from 600 BCE to 900 CE. Period of time in which complex civilizations expanded to establish large land empires and were more interconnected through trade than earlier civilizations. These civilizations made great contributions to our collective learning as a result of golden ages marked by prosperity. Most of the major belief systems that still impact our world were established during this time. Our directions at the top of the timeline are telling us to examine the timeline below and use it to answer the questions on the following page. So our title says Timeline of the Classical Period. This timeline looks a little bit different than the traditional timelines that we've looked at so far. What we'll notice is the x-axis, which goes from left to right, is showing us dates, and the y-axis that goes up and down are showing us regions of the world. By looking at our x-axis, we can tell that this timeline of the classical period begins in 500 BCE and ends 500 CE. The regions of the world that are represented on the timeline are Europe, Africa, the Middle East, South Asia, and East Asia. The purpose of this timeline is to see that there were many different things in different regions of the world happening at the exact same time. Over here we can see that the Roman Empire was in power from 27 BCE to 476 CE. And the interesting thing that we can see in this timeline is that the Roman Empire ruled in 3 different regions of the world. So because it's shown in these 3 different rows, that means that it occurred in 3 different regions of the world. If we take a look at Alexander the Great's empire from 334 to 323 BCE, we can see that his empire was in control of 4 different regions of the world: Europe, Africa, the Middle East, and South Asia. And finally, on this timeline, we see that there are different belief systems that are represented in orange. So we have Christianity, Judaism, Hinduism, Buddhism, and Confucianism and Taoism. And we see that those belief systems were in different regions of the world.